Hello, friend. Today I come with my third video Jupiter transit in Capricorn on 20th of November 2020. And Saturn already posited in Capricorn. And when Jupiter go in Capricorn, so Jupiter became debilitated. But debilitated Jupiter effect will be less because of Saturn is there, and that create the Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga. So that is this yoga is affect the all the ascendant and moon signs. So before I talk with you about eight sign, in my first video four sign, second video four sign, and now I am coming with my third video with four signs. So I'm going to talking about the first Sagittarius. For Sagittarius, this business period is good for success in business, but another side, there may be the chances of lot of expenses. What money you saved and that become empty. Also possibility is there, and there may be any sort of disease or any health problem indicated. For Capricorn, success in business, you will enjoy happiness, prosperity, and good relationship. Good time for education, and maybe chance of birth of new baby in your home or in your family. But some expenses indicated. So now I am coming to Aquarius. Saturn Sade Sati is running on Aquarius, and that is the first Sade Sati, first part of the Sade Sati in 12th house from, and Jupiter is coming on 20th of November there and create the Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga. But that Raj Yoga in 12th house, and 12th house is not good houses. So because of that, expenses on house, vehicles, or any on any things, but expense is indicated. And maybe this period you become debt, so be careful, don't lend or borrow money during this period. And lot of struggles and quarrels and enmities indicated. So spend this time with love, diplomacy, calm and cool, and some new illness or disease indicated. So be precaution from that sides. Now I coming to the Pisces. This period is very good times for Pisces. This period is full of gains and success in finance, business. Even confidence will be boosted up. And good news from newly born baby in your house. And this period will be best for you. And your all dream becomes true this period. So friend, I would like to tell you, this conjunction is made from 20th of November 2022 5th of April 2021. These 4 months, approximately you can say this is a 4 month. Then Jupiter will transit his position on 6th of April in Aquarius. So during this period, it is very important for you to chanting the mantras Om Namah Bhagavate Vasudevaya 108 times, like a 108 bits of mala. So it will be helpful for you. So you will be enjoy these times, and you will get the fruitful result if you chanting the mantras for being Jupiter. And Jupiter is related to God Vishnu. So friends, these were the prediction for 12 sign and effect of Nich Bhanga Yoga of Saturn and Jupiter on different signs. So friend, if you like my videos, if you are satisfied with video, please like, share and subscribe my videos. That's why I bring more videos for you. And if you subscribe my video, automatically my all video go to you directly, and you will take the benefit of this opportunities. So friend, my channel name is Diksha Astro Kapoor. I am providing my consultation online as well as personally. If anybody are interested, they can contact on my WhatsApp, my email, my website, my Instagram. And because when you are looking my video now, down of my videos, you will find all details about my contact numbers. So you can check and enjoy and try to contact with me, because consultation is available for all the problems of different spiritual lives. And so friend, next video I am coming with the, I make some predictions. Jupiter, Saturn and Rahu, what they give different sign, and for which person this is the best combinations or best aspect. So friend, for today, thank you very much.